all them crazy names. Everything must go. If you want chicken, your car no work, you no burn out, you have no lookout sticker, your car not running, you're in wrong grid. Okay, clear it out. Clear it out, clear it out. Okay. Transmission not working anymore. Look like it's kind of stuck. Is it sticky? You know stick? You know stick the ground? Turned the lights on his ass and won. He done did it. He done did it. Somebody say Asian voice for the win. My boy got too much converter. We're gonna go ahead and make sure that we use this converter. Like dude, I was over there watching Lookouts Racing Channel, and he asked me for a shout out, dude. Yeah, man, I told him you film the fights, the stupid shit. Yeah. Film the fights and the stupid shit in the freaking staging lane and the pits. It's not freaking allowed here at the freaking Yello Belly. I'm freaking tired of telling you guys. Lookout thinks that he can just come to this track and run this freaking thing. He wants to park in VIP. Got flags and shit every fucking where. Stickers, motherfuckers dropping the freaking back-sided paper on the ground. I'm fucking sick and tired of freaking lookout racing. Motherfuckers talking look out this, look out that. Just stop freaking filming the stupid shit. Move your car. Park in a regular spot like everyone else. We want you to pay to get in. Son of a bitch, man. No, man, I'm just fucking sick of it. Lookout Racing thinks he owns the freaking place. Move your car, move your flag, and move your ass. You're freaking getting other people shot, the real media with the 5K. Lookout is freaking selling food by the fucking concession stands. This motherfucker thinks he can do whatever he wants. All my people that's watching on TikTok, y'all, I'm on Lookout Racing, man. On my YouTube channel, Lookout Racing. Yeah. Okay. This out here. Oh, shit. Somebody that brought all their kids over here. Somebody that let they move your car, dude. Okay, Ronald Lang from TikTok. Ronald Lang sound like he got a good ass job where he gotta get dressed every day. He can't wear normal clothes. Ronald Lang, where you work at? A car dealership or something? Bet Ronald Lang get up every morning and put a suit on. That don't sound like no lazy name. Okay, we got Blake Martin. Just came from TikTok. Yeah, he work in the bank. Yeah, it sounds like he work at the bank. Blake Martin, you sound like you work at the I don't know what kind of name that is, cause both of them first names. Where do you see a first name? Oh, Ronald Lang, he say he sure do. I told y'all, I'm smart, man. I'm smart. Blake Martin. Oh yeah, he sound like, yeah, that sound like old insurance name. Two first names, insurance. I was gonna say a pee-wee football coach or something, but yeah, he probably got a, yeah. Jordan Wallace, a pastor on here, y'all. Pastor Wallace on. I ain't never really heard no Pastor Wallace. Who else was that in here? Okay, who was that talking about they working them streets? They just came from Petey. Petey working them streets, y'all. How I feel of Cameron Cole. Cameron Cole sound like, oh, what do them Camerons? Cameron, them Camerons, bro, them motherfuckers, man. Them Camerons they be old bank people. Where else I seen a Cameron at? Cameron. Them Camerons be doing some, oh yeah, them Camerons be working for the police. Yeah, what, these some badass little kids. Let's go ball these little motherfuckers over here. What they talking about? What? What's going on over here, y'all? Oh, they betting?
Yeah, they betting.
What?
They say BMW.
What?